How to check login activity on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can check your login activity on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check your login activity on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your Instagram application here, and then you want to just tap the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it, here you'll find the option called settings and privacy. Tap on it again. Now once you tap on settings and privacy, over here you'll find the option called account center at the very top. Tap on the account center button. Once you tap on account center, here you'll find password and security. Tap on it. Once you do that, right on this specific page you'll be able to see the option called where you are logged in. So when you tap on where you are logged in, it's going to show you a list of devices where your Instagram account is logged in. So just select the device over here or the account, and then here you'll see all the devices. If you want to log out of a specific device, just select them here and then select them again to select multiple devices. Tap the little logout button and then just tap on logout, and then your Instagram account will be successfully logged out of those devices. That is it on how you can log out your Instagram account and then check your login devices. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.